Yes,
Oi.
in the village.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the youngest one is Aquila.
Oi.
Okay.
Iya.
Orto nangase,
Iya.
orto tampaka tiko na bisu pati kita bolen reto mina kormakawa.
Right.
Right, kaya nano orto kaya ngolen nalala gang or girls.
Iya.
Merto sali sui ba mita dini. Erto yali tu nangase.
Right.
And the revenge, they took revenge on the
The
youngest
smallest one.
one. Yes.
On the youngest one.
In class
Mabuha
7.
pa kang dua.
Mabuha pa kang dua. They carried him to the river.
Not the bokete.
Not the bukete. These girls, they carried the young boy to the
To the
river.
sauce.
Yes. Orto sa namgo, orto
Buroy ko.
boroso mo tayo ko ya.
Wow.
Erto kay virte ko ay naudiway.
Boy. Isa ko lang, bikin mo din biya. Yeah, two of the brothers, and the
Yes,
sisters doing
yes.
that. Remember, you have a small brother or sister
Right.
there. Eh?
Yeah.
Karo din revenge taki buwan na kando ta kamu juga nangono ko.
Yeah, hindi na.
Because one day you won't be in the house.
Right.
You'll go back to town or don't bro litete.
Yeah.
And chico tonto mo kalila na kakede da na kadake den da kaba. And so bitaki be the youngest one.
Yes, sir.
Esa na kay misikino ko.
Trus.
And
Iyo.
now they are planning, they feel very sorry for
Iyo.
their smaller brother.
Eyo.
Something big coming.
Iya kanjira.
That's what
Ano
they
be
are
so
saying.
kita na daya. Iko mena kordem so nangon sa kalikina. Niko wasul batanga si wasul batonga. Na eva muitaki.
Manila ka metar na kele-kele.
Loro itu bidam si kwento nang wane banin wagi toka eh.
Siya.
He's the leader of the watering. Kila na tapo kamo ko ya. Kila na kamo ko ya.
Yeah.
He always hide beneath the steps.
Yes.
Guys swinir da kena katola kaloy bale.
Kalau ibarat me lumbe tundina.
Dia kira set sulun rodi bundi.
Sultan ibunti me sisi. John Kumar.
Or na kaloy because the steps are the far part.
Right.
Ko ginto emta me na non rame Lucia. Iya,
Iya ya, lau sisa ra bananta kayo na sunimbitu.
korpop gan.
Right.
Rasa di kalau lain tabe, ako lain tabe kira rapat kila di pakai untuk non rembula. They are not uncomfortable with non related tabe, and they feel that something is wrong.
Iya.
Iyo. Ngonar ngota kira rasa kiki lagu tinggal me bana step.
Dongan baka nini wagi nang ko.
Siya nga.
Yeah.
Because sometimes, as gang in the village, sometimes some of us like this, ninda sunisinga, and tangina nama kami sa suminimbong.
Right.
Eh? That's a very, very painful revenge.
Right.
Iya.
Because in the day, your clothes is very light. Mamanta kay mamare.
Yeah.
In the night, it's a heavy one.
You wear the clothes according to the game plan, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like the daytime.
Right.
Because kila lusingo. Tomo baro rawa. Eh? But the night time, the darkness is there.
Yes.
Yeah.
They move in the dark. Eh?
Yeah. Good morning, Vasu, Steve Murphy, and also to Emory Tui Naway Koro.
Yeah.
From Sherwood. My
Sherwood
Albata.
Pak Albata.
My Canada.
Okay.
Right.
Tahu letak mantan ng bongi ko ha, siya na matang ni ko di basota. Kaya baka yung dua yung ko suya mena ko sa bertunang nga ni kila beto menongo ni ko suy ko.
Isa o pacho tukachotami.
Right, go. This is the story.
There was
Of the watering.
by tukachotami. Au kera no mube busuti.
Sampai di bawah, bibo sa story sa tanda bibo sa sauci.
Sabi na rin magsawa di
Iya.
kami kinalangga.
Ngone tukun din sembera bantu tunikilang kono kona singa ka tukachotami biya biya wadu sarangakina.
Iya.
Sangkai bola kole lo badukin o ndona tablet to William.
Iya.
William la lalu to tamay borosa now he is in Mania now.
Iya.
Because I was not supposed to musui ko ya.
Iya.
Awa makataki I was mark one of my tabali.
Iya.
Musui ko nambong ya.
Right.
But they look like the same.
Oi.
They look like the same. Nangona sar kami lang mikir may suwa-suwa. May suwa-suwa.
Dago yan mo lusui.
Dapat ni melang si me tui na. And
Sama nga itu tuh apa? Apa sui mata?
medyo todo nang bani so ko niya. Then after that, he coming Then now I mata dina mai mata dina. So I suikwa.
Iya.
Suikwa kailangan ni Rarawa?
Yeah.
Because in the mood of grogging and fun.
Yeah.
Because I don't know, I didn't
But
see.
he was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
He was on the right place at the right
And
time.
he's the one doing the wrong thing.
Yeah.
I was doing the wrong because I thought it was my tabale.
Yeah.
Oi.
But kera mata dina rua.
Right. Oh, okay.
Iyo, unga sinu read ko na kung ganun mga because the body,
Yeah.
the figure of his body
Yeah.
is
Same as tabale.
Same as tabale.
So from then until now, sangi kilaw ko ni kuha ni kusuya.
Iyo.
Visuya.
Right. Au sanggo kaya barang tumay sanangay rongo dayong ko sanangay warang to kon dorang na mulo kan kinakor. Kaya nakam danong kusoro. Abi pajo kaya barang tumay to kacho tami. Musuti o kera awasin don dua awas not me alone.
Yeah.
Kaya usara ka pati kay makumbuno Simeon na kitcheso.
Please remember, boys and girls, all the kids enjoying your school break now. Kapag sa suivan dua, we can rito kay siguro na baka mama
Iya,
tatutunan mo sa
baka mama.
Kako ninjas tabi suinga may siguro kini baka mama.
Pita tawa ke turang ato bata leps dito nga tabale gumen.
Yeah.
Atau mabaka meyaw mul menaka temale singgali
Yeah.
and everybody. That's a proper way of
Doing the
weathering.
visual.
Yeah. Weathering someone.
Yeah.
You come bombo
Yeah.
kere
Right.
sangkay suikoya. Sometimes we as like this. Ndara makan numusote bo.
Yeah.
Laka ni mulai suikoya.
Yeah.
Ni ngayon rolong ngayon wile bu salu batas nga nasote sa
Right.
sinanon.
Don't wabinak.
Yeah.
Enjoy the school break, Ronnie.
Buna
Hey.
matabi ni bun.
Oi,
Mama
buna.
kan imundo.
Oi, mama da isa.
Iya, mel na
Laumay mo suswa.
Nona sinisudo.
Yeah. Lao sarmay.
Nona sinisudo kay na madaw saut.
Odi.
Mel na dalib.
Oi.
Iya.
Kakali
Pot lobo tale mo ko ya.
Ha?
Pot lobo.
Warna na boleh besar turanit.
Kachi ba ando ni daw ni da kabang ko na pot lobo sambo re re binagadi.
Kukomea?
Kokomea.
Right.
Iya. Arna enra ne mani kumbu. Tol na manole le na kuru.
Iya.
Jor kumar bina boleh buna lima na hat. Nak. Totok.
Alright, kita sarmay tabay ke hat mo tayo na share